Hey there, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax. We're here on I-35 at our big showroom, and check out this Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. We got this thing up on the pedestal because it's our most popular Sea Ray that we've been selling here recently. It's not this big in the water. You put it in the water, it's going to get smaller. Let's go take a look. All right, now we're in the cockpit of the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Let me show you what makes it so popular for all of my clients. They really love it. One, you got a lot of shade, a power shade on the back, a fixed fiberglass hardtop with an opening sunroof at night or in the fall. Open it up. But during the day, shade and a breeze makes it bearable out here. If that's not enough, we have a cockpit air conditioner with vents inside the cockpit. It's reverse cycle, so the wintertime you can put all the canvas on it. Now you got a heater in here. But really, the deal on the boat is seating. There's so much big sun lounge here, big table pads. You got a grill back here, refrigerator, trash can, sink. But all the seating you have in here, they really moved the helm up forward to give you this massive cockpit in a 32-foot boat. So bring everybody, you know, and there's elbow room for everybody and great storage for everybody. All the Sea Rays, we got the twin engine Mercuries with 350 horsepower, the joystick, sky hook, auto heading, all that stuff, making it easy for you, auto trim for your drives, auto trim tabs. Now you just put it in gear, turn the wheel, go where you want to go. 2 upgraded Simrad screens so you can have a big map, fish finder, radar if you want it, all the engine information, stereos, everything at your fingertips. Easy, really nice layout on the helm. So double wide helm seats, flip up bolsters. I really like what they did here. Again, to have more seating, this backrest is movable. If you want to face forward when you're running, you can lock it here. Now 4 people sitting here all facing forward when they're running across the lake. Another great spot to get to is you walk up to the bow. You don't climb over the dash. We're going to walk up here. And 3 fixed sun lounges, flip down armrests, flip up headrests, remote control for the stereo, cup holders. If you want the wind in your face, or you want some sun, or your own place to hang out and get away from everybody else, you come up to the bow of the boat. Make it easy. Also, if you need to work your windlass, because you're dropping the anchor in your favorite cove, it's easy to walk up to the bow to check on your windlass to see why maybe that anchor got stuck on something. All your controls are right here, easy to get to. Let's go take a look at the cabin. The cabin of this boat is really what amazes people. For so much seating on the top deck, you come down the stairs, you got not a full galley, but I do have a refrigerator and a microwave and a lot of storage. No stovetop, nobody really cooks down here anyway. But look how much room there is in this V-berth. So right now we got it made up as a bed. You can remove this, table lifts right up, a taller pole, great. So if you want another berth, we have this. A table, you got it. But look at the big windows. So when you come down to the cabin, you're not down in a little coffin where it's all closed in. Somebody can come down here, some cold air, relax, look at the view. They feel nice and comfortable being down in the cabin in this. Really nice job they did on the head. It is a wet head, so you can shower off in here with a curtain, but a nice tile flooring in it, a nice backsplash, a clear glass vessel sink on it, storage behind the mirrors, storage in the lower cabinet. They did a great job, a lot of room, surprisingly, in this 32-foot Sea Ray. Really nice design on the mid cabin. So there's 2 single beds. You can slide one over, touch the other. Filler pads make that a complete bed all the way across. Air conditioner vents down there, reading lights down there, a lot more storage down there. Surprisingly, you know, this 32-foot boat, you can really sleep 4 adults overnight. So much more to talk about in this Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. I'm Robert Moody. I work in the sales here. I'd love to help you out, show you the boat, what I love about it, what my customers love about this 320. Please give us a call.